Today I want to try something I've never tried before, and I'm very interested in seeing how this is going to turn out. Girl Exhibitionist. The color, Orange AF. If you're going to do an orange, you might as well do an Orange AF. So this is my first time actually wearing orange. I've never done it before. And I wanted to try this, but I wanted to make sure the colors that I use actually match the color orange, because I don't really know what matches orange well, because I never worn orange before and I don't know what actually matches orange. I had to do a little bit of research because to be honest with you guys, I'm colorblind, and that's something I'll talk about in a later video, but I am colorblind. I do have trouble with colors. It's a lot more complicated than a lot of people think. It's not everything's black and white like people think, but I did a little bit of research and I found out that gold and black match orange. So I went with more of a ombre black gold eyeshadow for this. I also went a little lighter with the hair because I didn't want it to distract from the orange. So this is my first time trying this. I think it's gonna be fun. I'm hoping it works out. If it does work out, I would add a new lipstick to my collection. I've actually gotten rid of some of my lipsticks. I've given them to my wife because I know it would probably look better on her than me, but I'm hoping this is one I keep. Okay, let's take a look at it. Ooh. It is very Orange AF. I'm a little nervous about this. I always say that when you wear makeup, you're only a couple of mess ups away from being a clown. So we'll see what happens. I'll go ahead and try it on. At first I didn't see the color. I was thinking, man, it's pretty light, but no, it's going on well. That's good. I actually opened this right before I tried it on, as you saw me opening it, but I assumed it's gonna look a certain way, and like more red, I guess, because the color, what is it? The bottom of it is orange, but it has, let's see if we can focus. Am I messing up the camera? Come on. I'm holding it upside down too. Okay. Well, you guys get the point. But basically, it looks a little darker, but it's actually pretty light. And it's very Orange AF. I really like this. Sorry, babe, you're not getting this. Yes. I normally don't look good in bright colors. Like eyeshadow is fine, but when I get to my lips, it has to be dark because it doesn't really look good on me. I like this. I feel like this isn't something I would wear just to go out anywhere. This is like something I would break out when I'm going somewhere where I really want to grab a lot of attention, and you want people looking at you. This is something I would wear if I really want to grab a lot of attention and have people really paying attention to my makeup, and particularly my lips. Like I would wear this to a club or something like that. I do like it. I like it a lot. Should I not gloss? That's always the question I have to ask, because I don't know if I should or not with this, because I like it, but as much as I like it, I'm really curious. But you know what? This is all about experimenting, so let's experiment. But just a little. Oops. It's perfect. I can think of multiple things I could do with this. I could do a red to orange ombre. I could just wear it like this. I could do a black to orange. I think it'll be pretty cool. I like it as is, but I see the possibilities of what I can do with it outside of how it looks. But I do in fact like this a lot. And like I said, I changed my hair because I didn't want the blue to distract from it. And I tried to match my eyeshadow to look more in line with it a little more. I do like it. And, the possibilities with this. I mean, there's so many things I could do with it. And I really do like it the way it looks. I've been relying on gloss a little too much lately. I've been trying to get away from that because I normally don't wear gloss, but ever since it made my favorite red lipstick look better, which by the way, new red lipstick coming from the same brand, but we'll get to that in the future. Ever since it made my red lipstick look a lot better on me, I wanted to use gloss on everything, to be honest. That's not matte, and I need to get away from that. But it does look really good with this orange. Like, the orange really pops by itself, but with the gloss, it looks really, really good. I like this a lot, and I think it will look better on other people than me. I'll admit that. Certain colors do. I think this is one of those exceptions where something I wasn't sure is going to work for me, but I went with anyway because I thought it'd be fun. Ended up actually working for me very well. I love this. I would wear this again, like I said, probably to a club or something. I'm going to go to dinner with this. This would draw too much attention. Well, me talking about drawing attention, like everything else wouldn't. It totally would be my lipstick that draws a lot of attention. But yeah, I'm just saying, I would actually wear this again in a setting where I do want people to notice me a lot more than they usually do, and I really like it. And of course, like I said, I'll try other things with it because I think there are so many things I could use to give it a nice ombre, and just basically play around with it and see what else I can do. But usually I have a lipstick that I don't really like as much, but it looks better in the ombre. This particular one, I like it, and I can see other things I could do with it, experiment with it, and try different things. So this is a win, considering the fact that I didn't even think it would look good on me. But I like it a lot. So that's it for the video. Take care.